Information systems in manufacturing. What is manufacturing? It is the process of converting raw materials, components into finished products to meet the customer demands by using machines, tools, and labor. The main aim of the manufacturing firm is to provide products which are high in quality to meet the customer demands and deliver the products at right quantity, at right place, and at right time. What is information system? Information systems are the software and hardware systems that are used for collecting the data, storing the data, processing the data, and provide feedback on these data. Business firms and manufacturing organizations depend on information systems to carry out and manage their operations. Also interact with their customers and suppliers. The main aim of the information system is to support operations, management, and help management in decision making. Firms use information system to reach to their customers with messages on the web and to process financial accounts. Data. What is data? All the details of the employee such as employee number, name of the employee, and hours he worked in, and all the details of products which are coming into the company, which are going out of the company, and details of the inventory are stored. What is information? Knowledge we get about something or someone and the details of the subject. Information systems in manufacturing refer to use of computer-based systems to gather all the information and analyze the information which is relevant to business. Information systems help in controlling the performance of the business process. The use of computers has spread to every company. All the information systems are designed in such a way that all the information are collected and present the data, which helps managers to go through the data in order to plan and direct operations within the company. Information systems can provide the tools which are helpful to the firm in achieving the goals which are crucial for any manufacturing firm. It also plays a crucial role in achieving the goals of the company in the future. Information system helps in following functions in manufacturing firms. It helps in dispatching of manufacturing process in shop floor and instructions to operator. It helps in complete, exact, timely production and inventory data. It helps in reporting functions like reviews, production control, consumption, downtime, products produced, scrap and inventory. Manufacturing information system. There are two types of subsystem: input subsystem and output subsystem. Input subsystem includes accounting information system, industrial engineering subsystem, manufacturing intelligence subsystem. Accounting information system. It includes data collection terminals like track material flow, gather job data, job reporting, gather attendance data. Industrial engineering subsystem. It includes industrial engineer, studies physical and conceptual systems, sets production standards. Manufacturing intelligence subsystem. It can be viewed in terms of environmental context. It includes formal and informal systems, personal information, union contract compliance, suppliers. Output subsystem. Production subsystem. It is used to build production facilities, operate production facilities. Production schedule determines when the production steps are to be performed. Track expected and actual completion types. Inventory subsystem. It includes importance of determining the inventory level, maintenance cost, purchasing cost, economic order quantity, economic manufacturing quantity. Quality subsystem. It includes total quality management, quality engineer, elements of total quality management like zero defects, quality at the source. Cost subsystem. It includes periodic reports like what are the cost of the material, required ingredients, standards, information. The manufacturing function is concerned with production of goods that the business entity wants to sell. Purchasing is also a manufacturing information system. Manufacturing information system are production scheduling, material requirement planning (MRP), and manufacturing resource planning (MRP2), just-in-time, computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, robotics, supply chain management. These all come under manufacturing information systems. Production scheduling. This system schedules the use of manufacturing facilities to produce products most efficiently. Material requirement planning. The purpose of this system is to determine what parts and materials will be needed during the manufacturing process and when they will be needed. Manufacturing resource planning. This system is called manufacturing resource planning to distinguish it from material requirement planning. It combines material requirement planning with production scheduling and other functions in a comprehensive manufacturing information system. Just in time. This system is a form of inventory control in which parts and materials are scheduled to arrive from suppliers just before they are needed in the manufacturing process. Computer-aided design. This system involves using computers to assist in the design of products to be manufactured. Computer-aided manufacturing. This system involves using computers to control machines in the manufacturing process. Robotics. This system uses computer-controlled robots in the manufacturing process. Supply chain management. This system manages the movement of materials and products from suppliers through manufacturing and distribution to retailers. Advantages of information systems in manufacturing. Globalization. Information systems have not only brought the world together, but it has allowed the world economy to become a single interdependent system. With the help of information systems, manufacturing firms are using advantages of information systems in manufacturing. Globalization. Information systems have not only brought the world together, but it has allowed the world economy to become a single interdependent system. This means that we cannot only share information quickly and efficiently, but we can also bring down the barriers of geographic boundaries. Information systems made manufacturing companies to compete globally. Communication. With the help of information systems, communication has become cheaper, quicker, and more efficient. We can now communicate with any customer around the globe by simply sending him mails, The internet has also opened up face-to-face direct communication from different parts of the world. Cost effectiveness. Information systems have helped to computerize the business process, thus streamlining business to make them extremely cost-effective money-making machines. This in turn increases the productivity in manufacturing company, which ultimately gives rise to profit. Bridging the cultural gap. Information systems have helped to bridge the cultural gap by helping people from different cultures to communicate with each other and exchange their ideas, thus creating more innovative products and more quality products and improving the customer satisfaction. Saving time. Information systems saving time. Information system help in saving time. Customers can make purchases from different countries easily and more conveniently. People can buy these products online whenever they get the time. Increase customer satisfaction. Through information systems, manufacturing firms are producing more efficient products. More efficient products means more quality of the product and more customer satisfaction. Information systems are very important parts of manufacturing process. Information systems should be implemented in an appropriate manner to get the desired results. Information systems have helped manufacturing firms to become globally competitive rather than being regional. Thank you.